Jai Ram Krishna. Suprabhatam to one and all. Please let us know if our voice is not clear. Keep your spine, neck and head straight. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow and rhythmic inhalation and slow and rhythmic exhalation. Inhale in such a way that with your inhalation the lungs should expand. Exhale in such a way that your lungs empty completely. Have your complete focus on your breath and practice. Let us chant Omkara. Keep your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. Rub your palms. Keep your palms on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Let us practice Netra Sanchalanasana. Look straight. Now breathe in. Only your eyeballs up. Look up. Breathe out, eyeballs down, look down. Breathe in, eyeballs up, look up. Breathe out, eyeballs down, look down. Look straight. Now take a long breath in. While breathe out, turn your both eyes towards to your right side. Look at your right side. Breathe in, look straight. Then breathe out, turn your eyes towards to your left side. Look at your left side. Breathe in, look straight. Breathe out, other side. Breathe in, look straight. Breathe out, other side. Don't turn your neck, only your eyeballs. Look straight. Now rotate your eyes in a clockwise direction. Rotate it continuously. Down, left, up, right, and again down. Try to continuously rotate it and continuously see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Look straight. Now breathe out. Bend your neck towards your right. Let your right ear touch your right shoulder and feel your neck. Breathe in, neck straight. Breathe out, bend your neck towards your other side. Breathe in, neck straight. Breathe out, bend your neck towards the other side. Breathe in, neck straight. Breathe out, other side. Come straight. Now breathe in, stretch your head back. Feel your neck. Breathe out, bend forward. Whoever is having severe neck pain, they should not bend their neck towards to the front side. They can practice back side. Breathe in, stretch your head back. Breathe out, forward. Head straight. Now keep your palms on your thighs. Keep your body erect. Now breathe in, shoulders rotation. While inhale, shoulders up. While exhale, shoulders down. Rotate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now keep your hands at your shoulders level. Keep your spine head straight. Then fingers together and breathe in, palms up, palms up. Breathe out, palms down. Breathe in again, palms up. Feel your hands and practice it. Breathe out, palms down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Put your hands down and stretch your legs. Now, knees up and down continuously. Try to loosen your thigh muscles and calf muscles. Now breathe out, stretch your feet forward. Breathe in, back. Breathe out, forward. Breathe in, back. Breathe out, forward. And breathe in, back. Now rotate your feet in a clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, fold your right leg, keep your right leg on your left thigh. Catch your right leg toes with your left palm. Then catch your right knee with your right hand. Now rotate it, your hip joint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, other leg, fold your other leg, same way of catching your toes, catching your knee, and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now stretch your leg. Now interlock your fingers, catch hold of your right leg thigh. Raise your right leg up. Feel your leg and practice. Breathe in, fold your right leg Try to pull your knee towards your chest and try to touch your chin with your knee. Observe teacher if anyone is having doubt. Feel your body position and let your breathe in and breathe out flows. Breathe out, stretch your leg and head straight. Again, practice one more time. Again, breathe in. Try to fold your leg and touch your chin with your knee. Feel the compression at your abdomen and feel your pressure at your thigh. Breathe out, leg straight. Last time, breathe in. Stay there. 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe in, legs straight and hands down. Next, catch hold of your other leg thigh. Rise your left leg up. Breathe in, fold your left leg. Try to touch your chin with your knee. Don't try to give much pressure. Just try. Without much force. Breathe out straight. Breathe in, again fold. Breathe out straight. Last time, breathe in, fold. Stay there, 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe in, down your leg and release your hands. Next, let us practice Nauka Sanchalanasana, boat riding pose. Both your feet together, both your knees together. First, fold your thumb, afterwards, your remaining fingers. Make your hands more tight. Then follow the breath while breathe in, go back, while breathe out, bend forward. Continuously without stopping at any point, practice it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. V.S. Rao garu, you are doing other asana. Nauka Sanchalanasana is a different. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stop your practice. Hang your head back, hands back. V.S. Rao garu, just observe me. Observe screen. I'll show you how to do that. You are doing another asana. Now let us practice one more round. One, two, right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax your body. Hang your head back, keep your hands back. Close your eyes. Let your body relax. Let your breath in a normal position. Always remember, yoga should not be practiced in a continuously. Relax after a period of asanas. Let your body come to the normal position. Then practice another series of asanas. And again give some gap and practice another series of asanas. Come to standing position. Keep your legs together. Take a long breath in. Rise your hands up. Join your palms. Try to join your palms more. Close your eyes. Try your level best to stretch your whole body towards to the upper side without rising your heels. Feel your body and let your breath in and out stay in a continuously. Open your eyes and breathe out, hands down. Again, repeat the same posture. Breathe in, rise your hands, join your palms. Try to stretch your hands upper side. Try to keep your spine straight. Close your eyes and observe your body. And try to adjust your body accordingly. Open your eyes. Breathe out, hands down. Now, let us practice Kati Chakrasana. Maintain 1.5 feet gap between your feet. Keep your right palm on your left shoulder. Keep your left hand back in such a way that your left hand completely touch to your back. Keep your body straight. Don't turn your head. Don't turn your spine. Keep your body erect. Now take a long breath in while breathe out. Twist your spine and head from your right. Try to look back. Let your neck turn. Let your head turn. Let your spine turn. Ananta Chatterjee garu, you are doing wrong posture andi. You observe teacher, you are doing, see, you need to turn your head and neck and spine. Practice one more time. Yes. Opposite side. Yes. Madhusudanji, you can turn your head some more. Don't rise it up in the same manner. Breathe in, come straight. Again, practice one more time. Take a long breath in. Take a long breath in while breathe out. Twist. Twist some more. First, turn your head some more. Turn your neck some more. Very good. Feel your body. Stay there. 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Vidyamrita garu, you are also, see how wherever is your shoulder, wherever is your palm. Suppose you kept your palm, very simple to remember. You kept your palm on your left. Then turn towards your left. Okay? Right. Let us practice on the other side. Now keep your left palm on your left shoulder. Left palm on your right shoulder. So it is very simple. So now you need to turn onto your right. Yes. This is Kati Chakrasana, which will be very useful for relieving the stiffness on our back. Generally, due to our work style, due to our lack of body movements, so we will have stiff on our back. Slowly, slowly this stiffness make us more back pain. Breathe in, come straight. Again, practice one more time. Breathe out. Try to stretch more. Stay there for a 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe in, come straight. Breathe out, hands release. Now we are going to practice Trikonasana, triangle pose. Maintain 3 feet gap. Breathe in, raise your hands. Breathe out, bend onto your right side. Try to bend as much as you can. Try to keep your right palm on your right foot. Or if possible, still you feel comfortable, you can keep your palm next to your right foot, which the palm should touch the floor, and let your left hand straight. And look at your left hand palm. Don't bend your knees. If you are unable to bend down up to that, it is not at all a problem. Bend as much as you can. Always remember, you should not forcefully stretch any asana. Any asana can be practiced as per your flexibility, and we can come a good posture in a period of time. Our body gets flexibility easily, then we can come to a final stretch. But we should not forcefully do it and come to the position. Breathe in, come straight. Breathe out, other side. Look up. This posture particularly helps a lot to remove the fat on our sides, and it strengthens our legs. Breathe in, come straight. Breathe out, other side. Stay there for a 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe in, come straight. Breathe out, other side. Always you need to observe where you are feeling the stretch. Stay there, same 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe in, come straight. Breathe out, hands down. Now come to Savasana position. Lie down on your back. Now we are going to practice Utthana Padasana or Dvipada Uttanasana. Both are the same. Some schools call as Utthana Padasana. Keep your feet together. Stretch your feet forward. Always try to stretch your feet forward and fold your fingers. Fold your fingers. Make your body tight. Then breathe in. Rise your legs up to 45 degrees. No need to rise up to 90 degrees. It is just up to 45 degrees. So breathe out, legs down, hands release. See the technique I am telling you. First, in this Utthana Padasana, stretch your feet. Okay. Then fold your fingers. Fold your fingers. And let your hands on the floor. Try to take support of your hands. Try to give pressure with your hands on the floor so that you can get support. From the same feet stretch, how you stretched your feet when it was on the ground. From the same position, you need to rise your legs up to 45 degrees. Let us practice one more time. Utthana Padasana. Breathe in. First stretch your feet and fold your fingers. And breathe in. Rise your legs up to 45 degrees. Stay there. Feel your legs and abdomen. Breathe out. Legs down. Hands release. Release your hands. Keep your fingers in a normal position. Last time, Utthana Padasana. Again, fold your fingers. Stretch your both feet. Then breathe in, legs up. Stay there for a 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Just relax. Just feel the strain on your abdomen. Now we are going to practice Naukasana. Keep your feet together. Keep your hands back. Observe teacher if anyone is having doubt. Whoever is having severe spine problem, they should not practice this. Then take a long breath in while breathe out. Rise your legs same 45 degrees up. Then rise your head, spine, hands. Keep your hands on the above of your thighs. If anyone is having difficulty, they can practice with single leg. And they can catch hold of their knees from the back. Yes. But you try your level best to not to take support of your legs. Breathe in, hands, head, spine, and legs down. Keep your hands back. Let us practice one more time. Now, take a long breath in while breathe out. Rise your legs, rise your hands, rise your head and spine up. Breathe in, head, hands, spine and legs down. Last time. Breathe in, legs up to 45 degrees. Breathe out. Stay there for a 10 numbers count. Hold the position, not your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Relax your body. Finally, last posture of the day, Markatasana. Fold your both legs back. Maintain your hands at your shoulders level. Both your feet and knees together. Take a long breath in while breathe out. Both your legs towards to your right side, head towards to your left side. This is the counter pose for Utthana Padasana. Try to give pressure on the upper knee. Whoever is having back pain, they can practice this asana. This asana will be very useful for all backache related problems. Try to turn your head more. Feel the stretch on the spine. Breathe in, come straight, head straight. Breathe out, other side. Let your hands on your shoulder side exactly. Same technique. Try to give the pressure on the upper knee. Adjust your both feet. Your feet should be there equal. Your both heels should touch together. Your both big toes touch together. And turn your head. This posture is called as Markatasana. Breathe in, come straight. Breathe out, other side. Always feel your body and practice. Don't practice without complete focus. Always keep your attention and your mind in this practice only. Whatever busy you are, whatever you are, for this 1 hour, you left everything and put your attention here only. Breathe in, come straight. Breathe out, other side. Breathe in, come straight and relax your body. Relax your body. Now both your legs together, both your hands together. Slowly roll onto your right and come to sitting position. See, anyone is having doubt how to come to the position. From Savasana, we need to come to a position in this way only. See, observe the teacher once. So after your Savasana, first keep your feet together, keep your hands together, and let your right hand up. Then fold your leg and turn your body. Then keep your other hand in front of your abdomen. Take your hand support and come to sitting position. Even it is always prefer, even from after you are sleeping, when you are getting up also, you get up in this position. We should not come straight away. Generally some people come straight. So what it is says, so you will have a much pressure and load on your brain when you are coming straight. So it will have sometimes give stroke also. It's always suggestible whenever you are getting up from your sleeping position to the sitting position, you need to calm this manner. Keep your spine, neck and head straight. Close your eyes. Take a long breath in and long breath out. Keep your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kachid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Sri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. Rub your palms. Keep your palms on your eyes and slowly open your eyes.